Itong latest kay Bagyong Paulo. Lumakas pa nga ho ito at ngayon ay taglay ang maximum winds na 100 kilometers per hour near the center at gustiness na umabot po sa 125 kilometers per hour. Ang kanyang naging pagkilos sa mga nakalipas na oras ay pakanluran, hilagang kanluran at 20 kilometers per hour. At based po sa latest available data, nakita ang sentro nito sa layong 150 kilometers silangan ng Kasiguran, Aurora. So, kaugnay dyan, signal number 3 pa rin, nakataas ngayon sa northern portion ng Aurora, central and southern portions ng Isabela, sa northern portion ng Quirino, northern portion ng Nueva Vizcaya, Mountain Province, Ifugao, southeastern portion ng Abra, northern portion ng Benguet, central and southern portions ng Ilocos Sur, habang signal number 3 din sa northern portion ng La Union. Ito, samantala, signal number 2 naman, dito sa central and southern portions ng mainland Cagayan, rest of Isabela, rest of Quirino, rest of Nueva Vizcaya, central portion of Aurora, northern portion of Nueva Ecija, central and southern portions of Apayao, Kalinga, rest of Abra, rest of Benguet, southern portion ng Ilocos Norte, rest of Ilocos Sur, rest of La Union, northern portion ng Pangasinan. Habang signal number 1 naman sa rest of mainland Cagayan, including Babuyan Islands, rest of Aurora, northern portion of Quezon kasama ng Pulilio Islands, Camarines Norte, northern portion ng Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, rest of Apayao, rest of Ilocos Norte, rest of Pangasinan, rest of Nueva Ecija, northern portion of Bulacan, Tarlac, northeastern portion ng Pampanga at northern portion ng Zambales. So,